In this video, I'll detail how to change Apple Watch name. So if you have an Apple Watch and you want to change name from maybe Apple Watch Series 8, Apple Watch Series 9 to a custom name like your preferred name, your name, then this video is going to walk you through. So if I don't know this video, if you found this helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Now first, you need to find out what your Apple Watch name is. So to do this, just press the two crown once, then click on settings, then click on the profile icon, which is your Apple ID profile account. Now scroll down and you should see the name of your Apple Watch, Adi.Tunes Apple Watch. You see that? Then to change your Apple Watch name, all you just need to do is drop your Apple Watch, take your iPhone. On your iPhone, open the Watch app. Now once you open the Watch app, make sure you're on all faces. Then on this page, scroll down, come to General, click on that. Then once selected General, click on About. Then under About, you should see your Apple Watch name. Click on it. Then you can then rename your Apple Watch. Type in the new name. Then click on the Done button. You should see the Apple Watch renamed on your iPhone. Now drop your iPhone, take your Apple Watch, type in the passcode, and then press the two crown once. Go to Settings. On the Settings page, click on the iCloud account. Then just scroll down. Then you should see the Apple Watch name still remain, right? Like this. Now, to effect the Apple Watch name on your Apple Watch, you just need to restart your Apple Watch. How do you restart your Apple Watch? Press the two crown and the Control Center button together for like 5 seconds. And once you see the Apple logo comes up, just let it go. And once the device restarted itself, then the Apple Watch name will be changed to whatever you change it to on the Watch app. So this is how you can easily change Apple Watch name. If you find this helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe.